Okay, so in my videos you must have seen me cutting stuff and all that stuff, cutting stuff and tomatoes. So now this is the main way of cutting tomatoes. This is a whole tomato. You score it just by like that so you don't throw anything out. There you go, that's your tomato, which is clean now. Then you can either cut this into half. You have to have a sharp knife for a tomato. And then you dice it like this. So for this, we're gonna have dices of this real small, and then hold this all together and then dice it. Some people try to do it from here on this. If your knife is not sharp, you're not gonna cut it and you're gonna squeeze the juice out. So it's better to cut it this way, and it is easy to cut faster. Okay, so we're gonna chop this real fine. This is chopping, this is dicing. Okay, so this is how you're gonna need for whenever you need tomatoes for Indian gravies or anything like that. This is my topper tip for tomatoes.